Okay, here's your checker problem. Let's see. I guess we did an A and a B, or a 1 and a 2, so I'm going to call this 3. This is cosecant x over 1 plus tangent squared x. If you hear that, that is my cat who has the zoomies in the background. There he is again. Welcome to my life. All right. So, go ahead, pause it, solve it on your own, and then come back, and then I'll give you the next problem after that. If you're stuck in playing the video, there's your first step. Try to see if you can get further. And that right there's your final answer. You should get cotangent x times cosine x. All right, let's go ahead and do number 4. We've got cosecant x sine x plus cotangent squared x. Go ahead, pause, and try to do this one on your own. Work one part at a time. That's your hint. And there's your answer right there. Hopefully you were able to get there. That one was actually probably a very quick one. Should take not that many steps. Good work if you got it. If you didn't, go ahead, see if you could try another version of that problem or a different one, or try in the homework to see how many you can get correct.